Guide to Agile Project Management 2024. Agile is a very prominent and important name in the project management industry. It is an approach to delivering projects iteratively through their entire life cycle through effective business analysis. In project management, Agile can be best described as a braking system. The methodology of Agile project management helps you implement great planning for any project you work on.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
To understand the functioning of Agile project management, you need to understand Agile software development. Here is a complete guide to Agile project management to help you in the field of project management. Definition of Agile project management. Agile project management is a modern approach to managing projects that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. It recognizes that in today's fast-paced world, change is inevitable, and the ability to adapt to change is a critical factor for project success. Agile project management achieves this by breaking down tasks and goals into smaller, manageable parts, called iterations or sprints. These short cycles allow teams to respond to changes, gather feedback, and continuously improve their work. It's like building a puzzle one piece at a time, ensuring that the picture is always aligned with the evolving needs and expectations of the customers and stakeholders. The core idea behind Agile is to deliver valuable results quickly and effectively. It places a strong emphasis on collaboration among team members and stakeholders, valuing individuals and their interactions more than rigid processes and tools. What are the 4 core values of Agile? Agile is guided by 4 foundational values that underpin its principles and practices. These values are the bedrock of Agile philosophy. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Agile prioritizes people and how they work together. It values face-to-face communication, collaboration, and teamwork over relying solely on tools and processes. Working solutions over comprehensive documentation. While documentation is important, Agile values a working product over exhaustive paperwork. It encourages teams to focus on building tangible solutions and refining them based on real-world feedback. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Agile encourages close collaboration with customers and stakeholders throughout the project. It values customer input and feedback, fostering a sense of partnership rather than a contractual relationship. Responding to change over following a plan. Agile acknowledges that change is inevitable and often beneficial. It prioritizes the ability to adapt to changing requirements and circumstances over sticking rigidly to a predefined plan. These core values serve as the compass for Agile teams, guiding their decisions and actions as they navigate the project landscape. What are the 12 principles of Agile? Agile principles provide a more detailed framework for Agile project management. These principles expand on the core values and provide specific guidance on how to apply them in practice. Here are the 12 principles of Agile. Customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery. Agile focuses on delivering value to customers quickly and regularly. Welcome changing requirements, even late in the project. Agile embraces change as a means to improve the project's outcome. Deliver working software frequently. Frequent releases ensure that progress is visible and that the software is continually improving. Collaborate with customers and stakeholders throughout the project. Customer involvement is crucial for success. Build projects around motivated individuals and give them the support and trust to get the job done. Empowered teams are more productive. Use face-to-face communication as the most efficient and effective method. In-person communication helps avoid misunderstandings. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Tangible results matter more than plans. Maintain a sustainable pace for the team. avoid burnout, and maintain a steady flow of work. Strive for technical excellence. High-quality work is essential for long-term success. Simplicity. Embrace simplicity in both the product and the process. Self-organizing teams. Encourage teams to take ownership and make decisions. Reflect at regular intervals on how to become more effective, continuously improve, and adapt. These principles offer practical guidance to Agile teams on how to navigate complex projects and deliver value effectively in this comprehensive guide to Agile project management. Agile methodologies. The Guide to Agile Project Management encompasses various methodologies, each with its unique approach and practices. Some of the most prominent Agile methodologies include Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and Extreme Programming (XP). These methodologies provide specific frameworks for implementing Agile principles in different contexts and industries. Scrum is a widely used Agile methodology that organizes work into fixed-length iterations called sprints. It involves roles like Scrum Master and Product Owner, and ceremonies such as daily stand-up meetings, sprint planning, and sprint review. Kanban is a visual approach to managing work. It uses boards and cards to visualize the flow of tasks, making it easy to track progress and identify bottlenecks. Lean principles focus on eliminating waste in processes and delivering value efficiently. It often complements Agile approaches to optimize productivity. Extreme Programming (XP) emphasizes engineering practices to ensure high-quality software. It includes practices like pair programming, test-driven development, and continuous integration. Choosing the right methodology depends on the specific needs of your project and organization. Agile methodologies are versatile and can be tailored to fit various project requirements. Agile Project Lifecycle. The Agile project lifecycle is a flexible and iterative process that allows teams to adapt to changing requirements and deliver value in increments. It typically consists of the following phases. Initiation. In this phase, the project's goals, scope, and initial requirements are defined. A high-level plan is established, and a cross-functional team is formed. Planning. Agile planning involves creating a prioritized backlog of work, defining sprint goals, and estimating the effort required for each task. Sprint planning meetings are held to determine what can be accomplished in the upcoming iteration. Execution. This phase involves the actual development and implementation of the project. The team works on the tasks defined in the sprint backlog, aiming to deliver a working product increment by the end of the sprint. Monitoring. Agile projects are continuously monitored through daily stand-up meetings, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives. Progress is tracked, and any necessary adjustments are made. Closure. At the end of each iteration, a sprint review is conducted to demonstrate the work completed, and a sprint retrospective is held to identify areas for improvement. The project may continue with new sprints, or it may reach its final release. This cyclic approach allows for frequent inspection, adaptation, and the delivery of valuable features throughout the project. Who uses Agile project management? Agile project management is not exclusive to any one sector or field. Marketing, manufacturing, software development, healthcare, and other industries have all seen an increase in its use. Businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations, have embraced Agile techniques to boost the flexibility and efficiency of their projects. When it comes to software development, Agile is particularly well suited for handling changing requirements and creating excellent software. Agile is utilized by manufacturing industries to improve product quality and streamline manufacturing processes, and by marketing teams to respond promptly to changing market conditions. Agile is a useful methodology for the dynamic business environment of today because of its flexibility and adaptability. For project managers, mastering Agile is essential making it the project manager's guide to mastering Agile. This approach empowers teams to respond to changes and deliver value quickly, aligning perfectly with the ever-evolving needs of modern projects. When to consider Agile project management? Agile project management is a valuable approach to consider when your project meets certain criteria. Change is expected. If your project's requirements are likely to change or evolve over time, Agile's adaptive nature can help you respond effectively to those changes. Quick delivery of features is essential. Agile allows you to release valuable features incrementally, providing rapid results and early customer feedback. Collaborative teams are available. Agile thrives on collaboration among cross-functional teams, so having the right people in place is crucial. Agile is a versatile approach that serves as a valuable guide to Agile project management across a wide range of projects, from software development to marketing campaigns. This adaptability is particularly beneficial when project requirements are fluid.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.